Alright, currently we have an Excel workbook open. Now we haven't saved it yet, so when you're saving a workbook for the first time, what we want to do is go to the File tab and click Save As. Now from here we need to choose a location where we want to store this file on our computer. You can click Browse and search for a location there, or you can click This PC. And right now it says that we're saving it under My Documents. I could click this and change the location if I wanted to, but as of right now, Documents will do just fine. Now, right underneath that, we need to give it a name. For this example, I'm just going to call it Test Save. And right below that is the file extension. Now, by default, Excel saves it as a .xlsx file, which means it's just a plain old simple Excel workbook. But if we click this dropdown, there's a number of different file types that we can choose from. Now really quickly, I just want to point out a few commonly used file types that you will probably see, which is a macro and enabled workbook, Excel template, a text file, a .csv file, which is short for comma delimited, and a PDF file. Now later in the course we'll discuss more of these in detail, but for this video I just wanted to show you all the different file types and how to save and change the file type if needed. But for this example, we're just going to stick with the .xlsx. So you can click out of that and we can click Save. Alright, so you can see at the top that the book 1 has changed to Test Save, which is the name of our workbook. So if we close out of this, go to My Documents, right here, we should see that Test Save's right here at the very bottom, and we can open that back up and it'll take us to our workbook. Now that we have our Test Save workbook open, I'm going to make a few changes in the cells and then save over what we already have. So if, let's just say I put hi and hello in these cells. Now if I click Save right here in our quick access toolbar, or I can go File, Save, that means we've saved all the changes that we just made, and next time we open this file, these changes will be here. So really quickly, I'm going to close Excel, open up Test Save back up, and our changes are still there. Let's say you want to make a few changes to this workbook, but you don't want to overwrite the original workbook. So for example, I'm just going to put in a 1 and a 2 in these cells. Now I'm going to go back to the File Save As option, not Save because that will save over my original document. I'm going to go to Test Save 2 and click Enter and close out of Excel. So now in my documents, I have Test Save and Test Save 2. So if I open up Test Save 2, it will have all the changes that I previously made, and if I open up Test Save, the original one, it's only going to have the hi and hello. Also, if you didn't notice during that process, we can open up Excel documents straight from the file location by giving it a double click, or we can go to File, Open, and then choose one of the files that we have in our recent folder, or go actually browse your PC under Documents and open up the file from here.